welcome to our channel. Today we're tackling a common challenge for medical students: how to memorize large amounts of information and convert it into long-term memory. Whether you're prepping for exams or retaining critical knowledge for your future career, these techniques will help you excel. Let's dive in. Medical school requires mastering a vast amount of information, from anatomy to pharmacology. Effective memorization strategies are essential to succeed. Here's a breakdown of the most effective techniques to help you remember and retain information. Active recall involves actively retrieving information from your memory, rather than passively reviewing notes. It's one of the most effective ways to strengthen your memory. Instead of just reading your notes, try quizzing yourself on key concepts. Use flashcards or practice questions to test your knowledge. After studying a chapter on cardiology, close your book and write down everything you remember about heart physiology. Spaced repetition involves reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. It leverages the spacing effect to help you remember facts longer. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet that implement spaced repetition algorithms to schedule your reviews automatically. Reviewing material just before you're likely to forget it strengthens your memory and prevents cramming. Mnemonics are memory aids that simplify complex information. Combine them with visualization techniques to create mental images that stick. For example, use the mnemonics SOAP to remember the components of a patient's note: subjective, objective, assessment, plan. Visual aids like mind maps or diagrams can also help by linking information together visually. Draw a diagram of the renal system to visualize how the kidneys filter blood. Chunking and association involve breaking down large pieces of information into smaller, manageable chunks and creating associations between them. Group related concepts together and find connections to what you already know. This method makes complex material easier to understand and remember. Instead of memorizing the entire Krebs cycle at once, break it into steps and associate each step with a specific enzyme or product. Explaining concepts to others helps reinforce your understanding and identify gaps in your knowledge. Join a study group or teach a topic to a friend. Discussing material with peers can provide new insights and solidify your memory. Teach a friend about the mechanisms of action for different antibiotics. Engage with the material through interactive methods like case studies, simulations, and practice exams. These methods keep you actively involved in your learning process. Apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios to enhance retention and understanding. Use a clinical scenario to apply your knowledge of cardiovascular pharmacology. Stay organized. Use planners and digital tools to organize your study schedule. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a balanced diet, get regular exercise, and ensure adequate sleep to support cognitive function. Take breaks. Schedule regular breaks to avoid burnout and enhance memory consolidation. And there you have it. Effective strategies to help you memorize large amounts of information and convert it into long-term memory. By incorporating these techniques into your study routine, you'll be better prepared for exams and clinical practice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more academic and professional tips. Thank you for watching and good luck with your studies.